So this is just a quick, I'm going to talk about this more in the class, but this is sort of, and show some examples, but basically a quick idea on like creating your, remember you're going to be, basically you're creating shapes and spaces, pictures, words, whatever it is that, where light is going to shine through. So anything you put on here is where the light is going to shine through. So you're going to sort of think of it, and you got to sort of think of it opposite. So anything you put on here, light will be shining through it. So just to sort of give you a basic idea, like if I was going to, I could make a series of repeating triangles. And I'm going to fill those in black. And then I could Control D and duplicate those. And I could even, kind of do some cool stuff like that. And what's kind of cool is now that I have these, I could duplicate those and use this. Duplicate those. Oh, I got those three. So I could kind of do this like fun. So where the black is, that's where light's going to shine through. Okay. And so you kind of have pretty free range over what you want to do here. You could do one side, design one side and repeat it 4 times. You could, and I would recommend doing that on different pages. You could also create a picture. The main thing is you have to think about like if things are going to fall away. And so what I mean by that is, so say we take, we want to use some sort of polygon shape, like this shape. And instead of having it have a fill, I'm going to have its fill be white. I'm going to give it a border. And down here, I'm giving it a border, and I'm going to make that border, say, 20 millimeters thick. That's probably, so I want light to kind of just shine through this little thin area. Well, this middle part is going to fall away because if we're cutting this out with the laser, we need a way to attach this middle part to this part. So what you have to do is you have to do like little connectors using the pen tool. And those connectors should be at least a 40-point line. So I kind of made a line there. Going to select it. And I'm going to make this 40. Okay, so it's a 40-point line. And then I'm going to actually take that line and make it white. And so now what I've done is I've created like a little connector here. There's my path. I've created a little connector to hold this in, and I probably want to duplicate it and at least have 2 to kind of hold this shape in. So you could have light just shining through this little skinny little area, but then this inside shape is getting held on. You could also make this thicker, right? So we could, instead of 20, we could make this a 40-point line. There, now I'm going to have light sort of just shining through that. And if I wanted to select all of this to use this over and over again, that's like a repeating pattern, I could group it and then duplicate it. Now I can use this shape. I could use a combination of these 2 shapes actually, which might be kind of fun. Maybe even turn this. So yeah, having these connector points are important. And as I said, they need to be at least, just select one. There it is. Remember here, it should be at least a 40-point line. With this sizing that we've made these sizes, that will be about right. So, you can use all the skills that we use for sticker tracing, whatever you want to use, shapes. Remember where the black is, okay, where the fill of the black or the line of the black, that's where light is going to be shining through. You also you don't want to go beyond these lines here. That's why we put them there. So you don't want anything to be beyond that, or light won't shine, because this is how we're putting the light together. This area won't have light shining through it. If you don't really care about that, then it's fine. You can have it. But I recommend having all of your shapes within the border area. Okay. I will talk individually with people about designs as they come, design challenges as they come up. Good luck.